Bowling Green's Cochran Stadium looks a little different this fall as the Falcons soccer teams kick off their seasons. A pair of MAC championship banners now decorate the sidelines. The men's title in the spring was the first since 1996, but the women have built an impressive pedigree. They'll host Oakland tomorrow at 2 for the home opener. Dog Day at the stadium. BG returns every goal scorer from last season and 90% of its assists, led by redshirt senior Maddie Wolfmeyer and junior Kennedy White. Clay alum Riley Clark joins as a sophomore transfer from Wright State, entering the season as a three-time defending conference champions. Their intention is to put the nation on notice. They started with road losses to Notre Dame, Ohio State, and 18th ranked Michigan. A brutal opening week, but a part of a learning process that's designed them to make them stronger by the end of the season.
We have accomplished a lot successfully within the conference over the last few years, but I think we have some loftier goals. We talk a lot about it's been a long time since we've been a Power 5 school. In fact, Ohio State was the last time we won a Power 5 game over 20 years ago. So it's been a long time. So I think the players that are with us right now want to accomplish something a little bit bigger as well. Obviously, winning the conference championship is massive, and that's our #1 goal. But to go on and compete with a Power 5 school and maybe knock a couple of the big schools off would be a huge accomplishment for us too.
Some of the leaders on the team decided last year that we wanted to play a really difficult preseason before MAC plays, because we wanted to play the best in order to be the best. So for us, each game we're just learning a little bit, getting a little better, learning, watching film, studying it, seeing what we can do better in practice on the field. So every moment in the game and every game we play, whether it's a win or a loss, we learn from that and we can grow and we take the positives out of it, take the negatives, what we can do better. We feel really lucky that we're able to play, really great schools, be at really great facilities, play against the best of the best, because that's eventually where we want to be.
It's a little bit of pressure, but I mean, it's like always fun being like the underdog and everything, because then you have everything to prove. So it's like, why not make a statement? I don't think I've met a group of girls that have connected like this before. I mean, you can clearly see it on and off the field. We're able to put in big numbers. Certain girls are able to play tons of minutes, and we're able to just help each other and support them. Whether they're on the bench, on the field, we're just there as a family.